everyone. This is Sania Begum from 10th standard and I am from St. Xavier High School, Shamshabad. In the previous video, I explained you all the basics, formulae and also some problems on the trigonometry chapter. My dear friends, once again I tell you that trigonometry is one of the simplest chapter, but it is only possible when we are linked to all its basics and formulae. Now, in this video, I am presenting you the simplest and the easiest way to solve any problem on the trigonometry. That is, actually, this video is made about the tricks for trigonometry. Now, usually, the tricks for trigonometry are used to make our mind simple, and I think that it is the smartest way to solve any problem for the trigonometry chapter. So guys, the first trick which I am going to explain on this video is the first trick, so, ka, twa. Do you think what is it? These are the trigonometric functions. This is the easiest way to learn the trigonometric functions. We know trigonometric functions, there are six trigonometric functions: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. And their ratios are sin theta equals to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta equals to adjacent by hypotenuse and tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent. Now, the trick is that we have to just learn these 9 letters. They are so, ka, twa. Now, let me tell you how we can make them. S is sin theta, O is opposite, H is hypotenuse. Now, this is the sin theta ratio. This is cos theta. C means cos, adjacent by hypotenuse. Then this is tan theta. T, tangent, opposite, then adjacent. Now we got these 3 trigonometric ratios. Now whatever the other 3 trigonometric ratios, we know that all the trigonometric functions and ratios are related to each other. As cot theta equals to, it is the reciprocal of tangent. So cot theta equals to adjacent by opposite. That means it's reciprocal. Then cosec theta will be related to sin theta. That means cosec theta equals to the reciprocal of sin theta. That is hypotenuse by opposite. Then cos theta is related to sec theta. That is the reciprocal of cos theta. Hypotenuse by adjacent. So this is the trick to learn the easiest way for trigonometric functions and ratios. So guys, this second trick which I am going to explain is about the trigonometric values. We know that what are the trigonometric values. They are these values where sin theta, there are 6 trigonometric functions and they have different values for different angles. The angles are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now, it is not possible to understand this easily. So here is a trick which I am going to explain, that how we can get these values easily. So first of all, for sin values, first of all we have to write the numbers from 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have to divide these values by 4, where 0 by 4 equals to 0 itself. Then 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. If we divide these values by 4. 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. 3 by 4 equals to root 3 by 2. Then 4 by 4 equals to 1. Now we have to take the root value, where 1 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. Then 2 by 4 equals to 1 by root 2. Here 3 by 4 will be equal to root 3 by 2. And 4 by 4 is 1. Now, as I already told you that there is a property where all the trigonometric functions and ratios are related to each other. So this property are used here. That is, the values for cos angles will be the inverse values of sin theta. Where if sin 90 is equal to 1, then cos 0 will be 1. If sin 60 degree will be root 3 by 2, then cos 30 degree will be root 3 by 2. If sin 45 is 1 by root 2, then cos 45 will be 1 by root 2. If sin 30 degree is 1 by 2, then cos 60 degree will be 1 by 2. If sin 0 degree is 0, then cos 90 degree will be 0 as they are related to each other. Okay. Now we got the sine and the cos values. Now I am going to explain about how we will get the values for tan. Tan, we know that it is tan equals to sine theta by cos theta. That means if we divide the values of sine by cos for each degree, for a specific degree, then we will get the values of tan degrees. Now cot theta, as this is related to tan theta, so the inverse values of tan will be the cot values. Then now let me explain about your sec theta. Please listen it very carefully. That sec is the reciprocal of cos theta. So here is an example where sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. This is the main value formula. Then if we take for angle 30, if we would like to get the value of sec 30, then sec 30 equals to 1 by cos 30. That is equal 1 divided by root 3 by 2 will be equal to 2 by root 3. We got this value where sec 30 equals to 2 by root 3. Now to get the values for cosec theta, they are the inverse values of sec theta. The inverse values of sec theta will be cosec theta. Now I am going to explain you about the complementary angles. So in previous classes we have learned what are complementary angles. The sum of any two angles in a triangle equal to 90 degree will be the complementary angles. So we have to learn these formulas. There is no trick to remember this, but it is just a property that they are related to each other. Where sine 90 minus a is theta equals to cos a. Cos 90 minus a equals to sine a. Tan 90 minus a equals to cot a. Cot 90 minus a equals to tan a. Sec 90 minus a equals to cosec a. Cosec 90 minus a equals to sec a. That means sine is related to cos, tan is related to cot, and sec is related to cosec. Guys, the last topic is about the trigonometric identities. To learn trigonometric identities, first we have to learn three main identities. They are written in the blue marker: sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. We have to learn this. We have to keep this in mind to remember the other identities. The next one is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. The third one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Now, what we have to do is that from this identity we can get the other two identities, where sine square theta equals to 1 minus, if the cos square theta goes to right hand side, then 1 minus cos square theta. Then the identity of cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. So we got these three identities. Now the other two for sec square theta minus tan square theta is sec square theta equals to 1. If the tan square theta goes to right hand side, then the value will be plus tan square theta. Then tan square theta equals to 1 minus sec square theta. Now cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. Then cot square theta equals to 1 minus cosec square theta. So these are the 9 trigonometric identities. Guys, I hope that these tricks may helpful to you, and these tricks will help you to understand the complicated subject or topic like trigonometry. Thank you for watching my video.